had been some decline for a few years. Whatever schemes we work out, it should be based on, it should be evidence based.
We are seeing the green shoots.
Yes, green shoots, no, it is already revived. It is much better than green shoots. The Indian statistical system, which has a glorious past, there had been some decline for a few years, but the system itself, MOSPI and others, they have been able to revive it. Also, Prime Minister's office played as a catalyst and a facilitator. And the way we have now improved our system, I'm sure it has again become a very, very well established and predominant globally.
So the theme is unlocking the potential of administrative data. So what's the meaning of this theme? What's the purpose?
Administrative data, now we have lot of departments, lot of initiatives. Also we have a huge digital public infrastructure, lot of data generated by our digital activities also, plus various ministries, they have also generated lot of data. So how to use the potential, how to standardize it, how to make it compatible with each other, how to derive inferences from the data, how to improve that the data is as trusted, as comprehensive and as compatible as the earlier survey data, or maybe it is expanding the scope of our statistics.
Sir, you said Viksit Bharat could be measured before it is achieved through our data.
No, in the sense that our Prime Minister has said that we need to have data-based decision making. So for Viksit Bharat, whatever efforts we make, whatever initiatives we take, whatever schemes we work out, it should be based on, it should be evidence-based, it should be data-driven. And to use data, we need to measure it, to measure the indicators, and to measure the progress, we need to have the indicators. So that is how Viksit Bharat, before it is to be measured.
Right. So how AI will play its role in India's rapid digital transformation?
AI has lot of scope, it gives lot of opportunities to use data to make our decisions more comprehensive. At the same time, we need to also have develop the human capability also to use AI and also ensure that whatever the results, they are validated.
Right. So last question, if we are talking about the global geopolitical tensions, basically it's impacting the economy of entire world, including India. Now the peace deal is there. So do you think Indian economy will kind of revive, and how much time will it take? And
No, it has already revived. You see the last growth data, the last quarterly data, the annual data, the GDP has certainly revived.
so we are seeing the green shoots.
Sorry?
We are seeing the green shoots.
Yes, green shoots, no, it is already revived. It is much better than green shoots.
All right. Thank you for talking.
Okay,
to us.
thank
you so much.